Hi everyone, this is Eddie Zaratsian. Here's another episode that I'm doing for YouTube, and this one is a holiday theme. I thought I'd make it a little whimsical. It's really easy things that we're gonna do. Some fresh products, some silk products, and then obviously some props and ornaments that we're gonna do. It's gonna be super, super easy. It's a gingerbread theme. We've got a gingerbread house, we've got ginger men, we've got gingerbread trees. I'm trying to go much faster than I'm supposed to. I'm gonna make this very simple, right? It's very easy to do. These are props that I bought over the years that I have. You can do this easily as a good food buffet station decor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull everything aside of what I have. Guys, if this is the first time you're tuning in to my channel, I appreciate you. The people who have subscribed, I appreciate you. Please make a comment and like the post. I'm taking this beautiful green. These are holiday greens. And as you can see, I'm probably gonna do 2 stems of it, or 3, depending on how. And then I'm going to center my gingerbread home right in the middle. I'm gonna tuck it in. I'm gonna overlap them a little bit, yeah, just because. Then I'm gonna do 1 gingerbread man here, and this hand is somewhere missing. And I'm gonna tuck this in a little bit tighter, like this. Got the little one here, it's a snowman, gingerbread, right here. Gotta make sure it stays. And then again, group this, and then I've got these cute little Christmas gingerbread cookie trees. And I'm gonna take my ornaments. I have candy striped ornaments, very inexpensive. These came in a package. These are probably like 20 bucks. And what I'm just doing is taking out the ornaments and kind of sort of laying them around. It is stuck and it does not want to get out. I need a scissor for this. And of course, when I want the scissor is not here. Here, I'll do it with the cutters. When you don't have the tools you need, you improvise, right? I'm gonna put one right here. And then you have all the little ones that I'm gonna tuck in. And tuck this in a little closer, tighter. And I'm just kind of laying them around. No really thought process to it. Just trying to fill the void. And then I'm going to take, lost a Christmas ball. Thanks God it's plastic. I'm gonna get rid of this. It makes a mess. And then I have this garland that's really beautiful. It's like laurel leaves with red berries. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna not use it as the complete garland. What I'm gonna do is pull them out in pieces. I'm gonna open it up and I'm going to lay it right on the fresh evergreen, right? So So I'm gonna do this in a couple of different places. See that? So pretty. There's a lot of exciting things happening. I love doing these videos. It gives you guys great inspiration, some easy things to do, as well as some really complex, you know, a little bit more advanced. But really these videos are to really inspire you to think out of the box, to use materials that you have accessible to you. You know, and great design is all about that, right? Like getting inspiration and also improvising to be able to work with what you have available to you. Everyone, if you don't know me, I love the holidays because that's the 1 year out of the whole time that we celebrate such a lengthy period of time, and there's so many themes that we can do. Like from gingerbread to to peppermint sticks, to snowmen, penguins, reindeers, Santa Claus, and puppies and cardinals and all that stuff. There's so many cool stuff that you can do. In this series that I'm doing for you, like this holiday series, you'll love this gingerbread one that I'm doing for you, and you'll see how it comes together. It's really simple. I'm trying to give you things that are not complicated whatsoever. Make sure you guys visit my YouTube community page. There are things that I post there that are not necessarily put on every social media. So there are things that I put on different social medias to make sure that my audience reaches out in different places. So if you have not looked into that, please do so. Again, I thank you for tuning in. Please check out my website at eddiezaratsian.com. There's great blogs and great content, and also the ebook is coming out. So cute. I probably use 2 garlands. You can possibly do 3. You can even do your holiday wreath with this, right? You can take a fresh wreath and you can cut these in little pieces and wire them or glue them. And you have this. And I do have 2 lollipops. I can put one right here. And then the other one kind of sort of the opposite way. And it's really what it's doing is just kind of giving it a focal point in the center. Here, this will soften it up a little bit. And it gives a little bit more attention to the gingerbread house. See how cool this is? Amazing, right? Let me clean up the table a little bit and talk about a little bit more about the elements and how quickly we did this. This should take you not more than 15 minutes to complete. Once you've got all the accessories, you definitely can add candles to this. You can even put fresh gingerbread house in between your props. Again, you do your food servings in between these. This makes a great holiday buffet tablescape. You can use it as a centerpiece if you want. Again, you can use it as an entry piece to your home, or you can do the larger versions of these with real Christmas trees in front of your house, right? So again, I thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you follow me on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You will see some of the products, not in all videos, but in some of the videos we'll have a link to the products we use. Some of these are obviously in my collection, so it's really to inspire you to do something different out of the box. And look how easy it was, right? It was like a couple of stems of evergreen holiday greenery, and then a garland of faux berries and laurels, and then you had all the props of the gingerbread men, the cookies, and then also the house. You guys, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and thank you for letting me inspire you one more time.